If there is a need to do new roads, then we shall bring new money.
Areja onepo de samani rotini luitetiak eyauni kapuniche.
And we had calculated that money would be enough to maintain the existing Maram roads without any problem.
Edautai marunebe sirigini ngule pedorete aidari rotini lumojonga lueja askere gudoi omame ationis.
But we find that some of the roads are not maintained, and even when they try to maintain them, they do it carelessly.
Konye dumunebe mami rotini daritai arade tambi ranu kanai nukanai mami daritai jok.
They just bring a grader and grade, and they don't do drainage.
So, tractor girior mame chila na raipida why?
And when it rains, you find the water is on the road. So you wonder, are these people making roads or swimming pools?
Todo mamji jenu ni irotina utasitunga lwa itemonoini araibone idue titemonoini tekesi. That they are creating swimming pools.
I'm going to deal with them because the money is coming, 1.3 billion.
Alosa somanar kedi tungalu narai eponene tisirigin e billion edo bekedi million na kwata uni.
If the money is not enough, then say so.
Arai kidi okisirigin oli mutu kwaen.
But now on the tarmac roads, there has been also some learning by some of the actors. Some of the actors, they tackle too many things at a go. Try to do this, try to do too many things. We the bush fighters concentrate on a few points and do them well. You have seen our soldiers staying in grass-thatched houses. This is because we don't have enough money to do everything at a go. So the little money we have, we buy weapons. And feed the soldiers. Other things like barracks, like others, we shall deal with them later. That's how we are able to maintain peace in Uganda. By doing one thing at a time, not taking on too many things. So this is on economic infrastructure.
No, and Apple.
The roads, the electricity, the telephones, the water, piped or boreholes or whatever, or dams.
Automapol, Irotin, Akim, Akipi, Atutai,
and the railway, the cases. So we are moving well there. If we solve these mistakes, we are moving quite well.
Ilosa Joko Alapol, Doitemono Reta. Then we have
got social infrastructure. Social infrastructure are the schools and the health centers. I don't have my file here because of the rain. I don't want it to be wet. I wanted to find how many primary schools are there in
Mukendeji ahatayari West.
Mbareba mwana mukwata ndewe mwana moronja komera ishoche mukazanda mukaza simba mazukunda wo muganda
nayo kutangaza manyobo muganda ko ngato bimanye
atanti mulamu wange atugoli musajja wange ntinyo wentereka atebe nyukata byenda musajja wange nyukata kahurraga muntu nanyeta musajja wange ntoko nenda kukora badi tereka nyotino mja wa shobaro no gwasheka uruganda rwanje twatu we are surrounded by Muslims.
Yes.
So uruganda kandi ndumanye so tuzaho ntangara ndeba TV ndeba amashanyarazi
insiyone beki
nzo mu kinabiro
iso munje cyo
biteke nenshi cyate gushurhango rw'amani
Otaferwa ahatayari West.
Ayuka hamwe na nishomero niki ekikurebereraje umwana twaza kumwihama
abana bahumura shanga bakazo nabo berarikiriye abakazo banje namaka yangu bahumura rero twagwerwa so
kurugije kayange na nokundi ukorora ningananyo kubanyoriye nimanya ngo omuzire oshemerire korabe no hata notekwa kwatana nabandi korabe no simura noza kusimurana nabandi
atkitera twatera twarema atuza ishomero bamutera banyetegeze now ishomero ko rukurema hariyo ruza and eventually hariyo nabutaba omukawarema bakutwara ishomero warema bakutwara muchome warema nechome cyinse za kutwara ngaka butaba ekubira heze abashomesa bakutwara twaro tugateranira hamwe.
Otaferwa ahatayari West.
Otakaferwa program ebiru kufomunsi urwo kubanza kusyorwa katano shahe muyo mwabasyo ahatayari West hamwe na nyomuhereza wawe omugalanda Netanyahu Special Forces Hasta la Vista.
I say thank you God, thank you God. Ikatungedeke alama baba zores na kanin.
Now that is all under Apple.
Apollo ngin kere.
But now you have got relatives in Katakwi, in Soroti, in Katine. You have got relatives there.
Kwande yase si ipajana Katakwi, Soroti, Katine
or friends.
Kedi paperoda.
You ring them and say, we know that you have got a tarmac road in your area.
Igenewe olimozbereske sibe jaye si ekolas bukus.
But the question is, do you sleep on the tarmac road at night?
Ebe, ona ingeto netungalu atine. Be kwa jare se kola singina bie yoto nenete so ogudo.
Do you think they sleep on the tarmac road?
Wamito ni bie yoto ete keso gudo okolas. To
say there is a very nice road here, tarmac, let me ajo here.
Be Yalamino na temarwe kwa la ero tolo ato doberlo lo ne kerajo kolas.
Do they? What do you think?
Wamta se BA.
Where do you think they ajo?
I velo se de tumajo, pa lo stajo okolas. They have said no, Your Excellency.
Where do they ajo?
I go to ETSC in the houses, Your Excellency.
What do you call home?
Ore.
Oh, so they ajo in Ore.
Lo son ajo Ore.
Ajo Ore. So even you here, from here, you are going to your Ores.
On the diet down Osakirane, Meriloson Ore.
Even me, I'm going with Mama here, we are going to our Ore in Soroti. Now, when you go to your Ore, the Ichan, you left the Ichan, you left in the morning. We'll be waiting for you. And say, welcome from the meeting, we are still here. The children have no sugar. There's no paraffin in the house or electricity. There's no meat for the family. The clothes are not enough. So, you can have apple, but also you have Ichan. Near in 1963, the tarmac road arrived in Mbarara. And indeed, in 1965, we came to play cricket here with Samuel Becker. With Teso College. And that road was already tarmac up to Soroti. And all the way to Mbarara Kabale. But at that time, I started seeing the confusion. People would say, development. Apple. But they would be talking about roads and common facilities. And our question was, but you are not addressing the Ichan in the homes. So that's when we insisted that there must be a difference between Apple and Abar. Abar?
Yes.
And Abar.
Apollo kebe akota itiaki Apollo keda kerianut. Ara Abar. Abar is yours. Abara na koningin. Apple is ours. Apple erai na ok, Abar erai na koningilopet. And Ichan is yours. Ichan edara lukon. Apple is ours. Apple na kongeni kere. So in the 1960s, we said, you people, and even the teachers in the university, they could confuse us. Development. Apara si angoni si shana inakalu makerere dangana. Etoltolete tunga kwesi. Apple. Why don't you emphasize Abar? Inyobera mamesi ketanata kirono Abar akerianut. So therefore, with the NRM, our contribution has been number 1, Aikuch. Iboro amedana ya NRM ngin na sodita Ipuch. Number 2, Apol. Na yareta Apol. But number 3, emphasizing Abar. Osodi na uniet Abar. Separate from Pole. The ones behind don't push. The ones behind don't push. There is no danger. So therefore, in our teaching, we always make a difference between Apple and Abar. Ejai tiaka kidingi na Apollo kede abar.
And that's what we were doing long ago. Even when we came into government in 1986, we emphasized it. The difference.
Agaone na ebu nyoso to mapugan akirongunu ngesi togo gongitis show. Aitiaka Apollo kede abar.
Now some of the people have listened to us.
Achamutiche tunga pupu na kirokosi.
I can give you some examples, like some people in the cattle corridor.
Apedore ngana enesi anyuneta disi tunga alu ejasi nene piseri barin. Enare moye?
Is your video working, you man?
Etakane video kawangi nada Beta ito dino na puto siya itong alug emed auto to may choryo na pugan.
Otaferwa aha tayari West.
The Dusk Drive.
104.5 Magashigezi FM. On the Dusk Drive today, Rachel, at what time should your husband get back home?
At 7 p.m. If you're not home, where are you? As a responsible man, at 7 p.m. where are you?
7 p.m.
We are supposed to be at home.
By the time
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Now, this man you see is not educated.
Atunganani ngolinera mamu esio miteke saye.
But he listened to our, part of the many people who listen to our message in the 1960s and after that. Now he's a very rich man. You can see his house. He has got solar power on the house. You heard the girl saying that he sells 900 liters of milk per day. The price of milk in that area is a bit low because there's a lot of milk. A liter is 800 shillings.
A liter
so, but because he has got a lot of milk, he gets 21 million shillings a month.
Kwenye nari puake kile edumuni ngesi milioni na kaisara ndiop angoli lap.
In a year he gets 250 million.
Ekaru milioni na kwatare keda kaisakany akile bon.
As you can see, he has built a very good house.
Aduke kesa yere le lai kwa pite otesi.
He has got solar power there.
Ejaki mina kolongongena.
And he has educated the children, as you can see that guy is speaking English. She's a graduate.
University degree.
And where they are living in the cattle corridor, they are far from the tarmac roads. So the apple is not so good. But a bar is there. Now, that is one example. Here in Teso, we have got somebody called Joseph Ijala. Let's see Ijala.
Hello, my name is Joseph Ijala. I am the proprietor of Taifa Farm, which is located in Serere, in a place called Kakusi, where we are. And in Taifa, we have dairy, poultry, and we also make laundry bar soap. But we also have the value addition aspect of the farm, where we produce yogurt and pack it, tin it for the market. This project started 11 years ago after an inspiration from His Excellency, the President of Uganda, when he had come here and he was teaching people about the 4-acre model. He was having a rally in Soroti, and that time I was working as a taxi driver. He was doing that master business in Soroti. So when I had this, when I had he was around, I crossed to go and listen to the story. And he was talking about a 4-acre model, how to improve household income. So when I came back, I was fired because I delayed there at the cross. The guy said, you go and eat those words that you had. But I had already this land, 2.5 acres, but I also had local chicken here. But after hearing that, I got inspired to put more effort on raising this chicken. So I raised the chicken to the tune of about 100 of them. Then I got a small incubator. That was about 4 eggs. So I used that incubator for multiplying my local chicken farm. Eventually I was having 1,500 local chicken around. And I was very famous for local chicken. So but then local chicken were not answering my day-to-day needs. So I decided to translate it to layers.
In Taifa Farm we have 10,000 layers, which give me about 310 trays per day, and each tray goes at price of 10,500. So from the 3 million, about 3 million shillings a day from the eggs that we get. Of course, it varies depending on the cost of the feeding, but at least a half goes for management, a half goes to our pocket as Taifa.
So after selling the layers, that money I invested it on layers. I started layering with 4 cows, but you know I have multiplied very fast because I'm using AI. I have my own semen bank here, so I do artificial insemination. And then I also got a vet who was able to train some of us here with the veterinary. I think he's even here, that gentleman there, the vet. So the cows that I'm going to show you are cows that are bred from Taifa Farm that produce, my highest produces 36 liters per day, and my lowest is at 20 right now, each cow. So 36, between 36, 20 and 36 liters per day. And they all have names. I name them according to how I felt when I'm buying, when they are born. We name them according to relatives, aunties, friends. So this unit that you see here
is the unit of my highest milkers. So these cows have mattresses. They eat and then they come and rest here. This is where they rest, and they will be licking the mineral block. And then when it comes time for milking, they go and take a shower. As you can see, there are showers there. The cow comes here and stands here. So after showering, they go and relax. We have music for them. Our cows have music. As you can see, we have installed here some speakers, and if you may allow, I can sample for you the music that the cows, my cows like. And the reason for giving them music is so that they relax and prepare them for the time of milking.
So one time I was going to buy soap and they were telling me 7,000. I got angry. I said, no, but here we can make the thing in Terere.
Now, that is Joseph Ijala.
Akiro Ijala ngone katonga.
Now, you have heard, he started about 10 years ago. After listening to my message in Soroti. Now, he's selling 310 trays of eggs per day. And gets 3 million shillings per day. From eggs alone. You can calculate how much that one is. That means that in 10 days he gets 30 million. In a month he gets 90 million. Then in a year he gets $1 billion from eggs alone. He did all this using 2.5 acres. And now he also went into milk. So altogether, he gets more than 1 billion shillings a year. And when you deduct costs, it remains with about 700 million shillings profit. These are people who have gone very far now. But when I visited Kapelebyong, there was one girl who was trying, who had got PDM money. Let's see some examples who have just started.
My name is Atia Betty.
Yes, that's the one I visited.
I'm a born of Ochoroko Boy Cell or Dukul Wall. I'm a farmer. I'm involved in the piggery project and the poultry project. At first, I had 5 piglets. Chicken 86, the number. Before I received the PDM, I was selling these small fish of omena, mukene, in the market. As I was involved in the business of selling mukene, then the aspect of the PDM also came in.
Dumuni kapunu rero ringo kaichur teraso jago lipege jago la kutu jago la kokore jago la koreni seujo.
When I got the money, and at first the technical persons had passed them through enterprise selection, others would go in beef farming, others see dairy, others piggery, others poultry. So for her, she elected the piggery project. So I decided that let me get improved piglets, 5 of them. And when I got that money, I decided to buy these piglets, 200,000 per each piglet.
Osoli bobo adioksi abunga agwel pege kilo kuni lo ngara kilo kuni pege kilo kuni do bobo na katai abunga apoti chatu ngopona na ka ayawu pege kiasa no ngara ayawu no pege lu kilo kuni anu adomono idwe pege lu pesi kuni na kasaka anu wada ay nanti pege yu adomona mukian ay nyama.
So after me buying those piglets and among the male ones, when they grew up, they would now mount other pigs. So the community around would also bring their female pigs to be mounted from here, and I would charge them 50,000 per each, and that money I would get that money and use it for maintaining my project.
Abunga agwele de pege ilukumini akwataka anunga adukunu etogo narai ogu etogo inanyaye otiyaiku.
Where we are standing here, she had a structure for a grass structure for those piglets, but when she realized that she was prospering, she decided to sell one of the pigs at 500,000 in order for her to buy these materials, these old iron sheets, in order to put this structure.
Akokore ukora dunga akokore abungo akor kikani agena adu kikani agena gwela aduni kapuna gwela ngakokore.
For the chicken, since she was a farmer, she was involved also in growing of simsim. She grew simsim, sold the simsim, and got some money. Then she began what the side project for poultry also.
Mutingo ongarin ako tanga ay akakin a project in opolor urauna project lenya nyar eter tangala kingada ekotagol pege marketing.
My future plan is to see that let this project become a bigger project so that other people come and get started from how I began, and also others will also come and buy. If they want to improve piglet, they could come and buy from her.
Now, that is Betty Atia.
Atia ngini no Kapelebyong.
You see how it started from a very low base.
Wanyuta skwage utoringeso kwa pochuti.
But she has got now quite a number of pigs.
Kwenye kiune namba lipege ikeko pana.
So therefore the message to you all
akakiro tuna ijase skerenge sina
is that get out of poverty.
Anyuto bakor.
Now, in Teso and Rango and Acholi, there was a lot of loss of cattle because of the cattle rustling and the wars.
Oteso ane kede Lango kede Acholi, potona toki asibare nelu ipo anu iji sine kede akoko na ikara moja.
And now we tried to restock at the beginning. Then at some stage, some lawyers came in and brought a legal case. So the matter went to the courts. We gave them money, 159 billion. But things were not moving well.
Kwenye mamburalo sita jok.
So when I consulted your leaders here in Teso and Lango and Acholi,
inera inengo kedengare no kokusa nelo Lango, Acholi, kedelo Teso.
We agreed that I brought an idea. I said, suppose we gave some cows to each homestead instead of this complicated way. Don't you think it may be better? A flat figure like 3 cows or 4 cows or 5 cows per homestead.
Abunga yao mishoeti na ya kesebe. Aibo istino ni aute ponelo. Anunyo mamo ni naina ngoli kale. Aituka uni arango na rakany.
And people seem to like it.
Obu omina ke ngaruno ka kirotongin.
So we have now adopted that. The government is going to work out a plan on how to give families 5 cows per homestead.
Apota chama na rosi kwaen ano angon otapuga na kapana ina ngoli kale aituka kany.
So
balati verondi ala minane.
Now you can see how that will help us so much.
They have appreciated it, Your Excellency.
So therefore, for today, because of the rain, I just will mention the 3 points.
Anualolo, anuetotolikinedo, abuberenga mara pointana no auni.
The contributions to Uganda by NRM.
Amedana ayao NRM Uganda.
Number 1, Aikuch.
Na soditinge Saipuch.
Number 2, Abar.
Na yaretingin Abar.
No, number 2, Apol.
Na yareta Apol.
Number 3, Abar.
Osodi na unieta Abar.
There are 4 other points, but I will mention them another time when we are not rushing.
Ejasi apointa na angon ameda ta angon no aya pugan abuna ngalimu na chepara ni nejaro na pak.
Now finally,
angeta ini dengo.
I have been insisting on free education.
Eketa nengo akiro no asioma na tai.
In government schools.
Osomero no lu apugan.
But people have not been understanding it.
Mametunge misi kitosa akiro tongene jok.
The school managers have been introducing courses here and there.
Kwenye ngulule ya ito someron, ya unenete verebo kese, iseriginiche alailo keda alaije.
And the children were dropping out of school.
Obongo norte dedu oreria, mamba paki na ishom.
I decided to start a skilling hub.
Asoda ngage onibwele na baka skilling hub, aina ini tunga choa na kanin.
Per zone,
angoniri.
Where the children will study free.
There's one
in Teso here. Now, I don't know whether my graduates are here. No, not university, my graduates of my skilling hubs.
Oh, are
there some here?
Your Excellency, those are your graduates.
For their
from 9 to midnight.
Okay, a very good evening, dear listeners. You're listening to 104.5 Reggae FM. My name is Pretty Zero, Crafted from World Class. Your sassy and classy presenter, I welcome you aboard. You can also welcome the people aboard. You can send your night greetings. You can request for a journey that you would like to listen to. And of course, we shall be together till we get ourselves into a community moment of the yesterday. That will be absolute. guys. The singles, the people that have broken up, the husbands sitting sad, the our parents, always here for you. Monday to Thursday, 9 p.m. to midnight, and of course with cool King John's educative, entertaining till we are out of here.
This is 104.5
Panyachigez FM.
We are your #1 favorite station.
No, we are just warning them so that they don't push. Eja utoto abutoto a minister na eta kirono asioma no Uganda kere. Eja utoto kedai alama. Mama, you are welcome to Kapelebyong.
Hello, Kapelebyong.
Kapelebyong
yoga. Thank you so much for your love and for really standing in the rain and supporting NRM.
Alama noi anwami na kus esa ngiri ne dongoli kirai kwa kina wate kus anwami na NRM. Alama noi.
NRM is Uganda's party.
NRM ere party lo Uganda.
It is building Uganda.
Loko chuti lo Uganda ngon.
It is trying to make that all our children can live a better life than we, their parents, lived.
Isomai NRM no pedor kira anyu ne bi woko do e pota ijara ne joka de par ne ija oni amria kakech.
That's why NRM wants all children of school-going age to access education.
Kese koto rie patelo NRM anyu ne be edo ekere lo ebe ta sioman e pedoreta dolere ne ija sioman.
That's why it introduced UPE and USE.
Ngesa yao na NRM apugani na UPE no primary keda USE otoma senior.
And I know that it has not worked so well as it was meant to do.
Ajeni tebe mamngesi soma ta jok eponela omitere.
Because when it opened its doors for all children of Uganda to access education, the numbers of children multiplied and tripled.
Nara nangai kinerike ke abo pote do eke reasioman. Obuenda vale do polorindoi adepar na omitai.
And so the teachers were no longer enough for the numbers of children in schools.
Mami sishana na kopoto dolo ena vale do lo poto lomto someroi.
And because of that, the head teachers and the parents organizations started bringing in private teachers so that schools can have teachers, but then they had to start now asking the parents to pay for the salaries of teachers.
Nare kidio kisishara enaka jaidi somero na maona cho asina achie ayau ni chisishana enaka. Anwangu na jai aingi tuna oria kalemu ni sirigini sai gange mwalimu nululu mama pugane tachi.
But that is why the president is saying that in the coming Chisanja, government will make sure that all teachers will be paid by government and there will be no costs in schools of UPE or USE.
Ezebala ripape be ina kon kesata mune bunitina imwalimu nukerelo eja unoso somero na pugane tachi mambo beraona oriaka yatai ni chia yatai.
So therefore that's why it is so important that we support and vote for the president and NRM so that NRM can continue to lead this nation so that it can become better by the day.
Anuangun iganget lipidi eskera igangai na aseo ne president aseo to NRM datere NRM ayata na itojokara sioman datere woko dwedu muneti ngare nine jok adepari ne ijaro ni kwana.
And that is our responsibility. All Ugandans above 18 years, it is our responsibility to support NRM with our votes.
Aranguna kirone kamuto soni kere itungalu edolto sikarto mona kanyauni adepar anyu nebo ni kere ilo sachaka NRM.
So please do take your responsibility, vote for the president and all the NRM leaders so that NRM government can continue to take care of this nation, and Uganda will show that Africans can really build a proud nation.
Ikatunga olototoke reaswamno ikamunto says achaka ene president achaka ene ngare no kolo NRM tetere NRM yata ina swami borolwe jokak aito jokara okokwapu Uganda.
And families, as you were seeing, will build better homes, and children will be brought up in better homes. And so it is our responsibility, please, to make sure that we vote for NRM.
Teterikali elo zitaidukire realwe laite kwa nanite onangina. Teterikali epe dorta itiosomi kechedwe. Teterakwapo kejo kiari katunga. Alota chaka isena NRM.
God bless Kapelebyong, God bless Teso, and God bless Uganda.
Sirerenge la subani Kapelebyong, sirerenge la subani Teso, sirerenge la subani Uganda.
Thank you so much.
Eyalama noi, sialami kisitoto.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, now let's get testimony of one boy and one girl, and we conclude.
Ajena anuto kwana. Let's
start with the one with the baby.
Thank
you, His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, for the support you gave to us.
Speak in the local language.
His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, anwakangata nukuje yaiso anwashoman. Ijaiso ingeta shoman no se ano konya nice so kapuni mariso schools konye seme
Weekendeji ahata Yoweri West.
Olwamukagoru on program eyabato otaferwa beji kurugara palento Care National Primary School Omuri Bushenyi.
I surrender, oh. Almighty God, look with favor upon these candidates who are preparing to sit their final examinations.
P7, stand on your ground. You have heard everything, and you are going to see what God is going to do for you.
Doing anything that our teachers have told us, all the instructions that they have given to us. I know I will be able to get 4.
2, 1. Okay, congratulations.
caliber.
The boy, let's get a boy now.
Yalama Papa President. Yalama Dua Haya program one like Tonori Idwe. Ponga Shalan Kini to State House Controller and Rider Raso to Mabois Diane Jaiso. Otomo Kiro Rayara Young Opo Emmanuel Eju. Abunte Ngobala na Town Council. Ido Abunga Pasira Retinue Radio. Again, alos ne jealousy one. Again, feeling of home. Okay, the Otomakaula Aparasadis. Polimonte Obo District and Walos or Hub. Presidential Industrial Hub Soroti. And then Abunga Pedo Alosita again Shauna Ike. Ido and then Nabung Nangore. Abunga Peda Bunore. Again, I lost the workshop edope. Ogeta chamunongo. Anen abunga pera adumuni lukuna kaisa kanyape isabiti. Etosomainga akaisangon. Ainga danikin akaisare anoida rakaija. Ido abunga pera gwelini tools idis la pedo rengoda. Sodini aiche kapun abunga pera guleteleri iche bare. Asipo indera anaya dan kini check up mode. Ido aneto anen akonga shalan kini Papa President anwaya utai push tomako apna.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. He was vetted by the LOCs. He also went for the training. They were kept very well.
Go and sit. Go and sit.
Yalama Bunere. He now earns some 60,000 per week.
What did he train?
He's a carpenter.
Okay.
He needs advanced tools so that he can expand and also train other youth.
Thank you. Now, you can see, so therefore, I want to appeal to NRM supporters in the whole country.
Akota ngai lipine ja segang toko NRM Uganda kere.
In the coming government, I want you to support my vision of free education for all children in government schools.
Atamu ine bunita kota ngasai ganga itapo eteka asiomane na tai osomero ikere lwa pugan.
So that no children drop out of school.
Tetere mamidi okoku ene paro rot mamangeta ene asioman.
That's why I did this experiment.
These
children's future was doomed. But by training them for 6 months, they have become very useful people. See what they are producing.
Gwenengulu, Amoka, this is in time.
Some of those products we are importing them from Dubai, from China, from Italy, shoes, furniture,
Amoka, Itadanangunu, Icholongo,
hospital beds.
Adekis.
Now they are being made by our people just here in Teso. So let's give every child free education in government schools. If there is a need for more teachers, we shall recruit them. So that excuse goes away. So for today, because of the weather, those are hospital beds you can see. They are making them here. Now, because of the weather, I've just made 4 points. Which are contributions by the NRM to Uganda or our plans.
Ameda na ya NRM Uganda kedaite mono ineta kunongaren.
Number 1, Aikuch.
Na sodita ipuch.
Number 2, Apol.
Na yareta Apol.
Number 3, Abar.
Na unieta Abar.
Now I have added free education.
Osodi achomana tai.
Which is really, it is another topic of service delivery.
Arango na kirache no waija na ni neja sitonga.
Which we didn't cover, but I thought it was important.
Mama ni apa nerata no yoto mai dules konya omtengo vale polo ka kirongu neja tekere.
With these words, I ask you to support the NRM.
Ano akira disindu nganga tanga sai ga ngai NRM
so that we continue and consolidate.
Tetere ona yatain aitogo gongo no iswamaoni.
NRM oye. Kapelebyong oye. Teso oye. Uganda oye. East Africa oye. So let's now have flag bearers.
Your Excellency, before we have the flag bearers, first we want to thank you for your visionary leadership that has brought good roads, schools, hospitals to this area, sub-region Teso. And most importantly, we want to thank you for including this sub-region in government. We have 10 ministers coming from Teso sub-region. The ministers stand up. The minister stand up. The previous PPS was also from Teso. That's Honorable Mona. And now the replacement also comes from Teso. Thank you for giving our daughter a job coming from Teso. We also want to thank you for giving us the CDF. A deputy CDF is from Teso. Our son, please stand up and wave the president. And not only that, the governor of Bank of Uganda is from Teso. The Auditor General of Uganda is from Teso. Most importantly, the Vice President is from Teso. And the Speaker of Parliament is from Teso. The only way we can pay you is by giving you all the votes from Teso sub-region. God bless you, President Yoweri Museveni, Mama Janeti. We want to thank you. To come in this rain, it means a lot for us in Teso. Your Excellency, the chairman wants to give you a vote of thanks because he did not talk. Just chairman.
Among is going to cause me problems.
No, Your Excellency.
No, let me translate. You translate, the translator.
Ebe lo samongo aya ni a problem ne yesi. Ationis.
Because people are going to say, I like Bateso so much.
Ebe nare temaro eminangesi Teso no ikonye be eminangesi. Mere ko bangini. Mere eminangesi. Museveni oye.
The people I appointed them on individual merit.
I think
what you may say is that Bateso have got some good people. So I appoint them because of their individual qualities.
And they are saying that you continue appointing them. Thank you.
I appoint them because they are good cadres. Not because they are Bateso.
Museveni, they are saying if you can add them more. Thank you. Chairman.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni and Mama, we want to welcome you to Kapelebyong, to Teso and Eastern at large. This is the gateway to Eastern Uganda. Thank you so much for coming. Your Excellency, we are so grateful for you to pick Kapelebyong as a district that you're starting your campaigns from Eastern Uganda. We have submitted our memo to you, Your Excellency. We want to request you to go through it on the points and the emphasis the people of Kapelebyong, they are protecting against the security you have brought. The only request that you have only not highlighted, His Excellency, from that memo was the issue of upgrading the hospital of Kapelebyong to a district hospital, Your Excellency. The people of Kapelebyong, His Excellency, they are so grateful for the district you granted us 6 years back. But they have also requested, because equal opportunities, a county, the people of Kapelebyong are requesting humbly from you to give them a Choa County, because they missed to get a Myoga money last time, His Excellency. Your Excellency and Mama, I want to say thank you so much for bringing the peace we are enjoying in here. Thank you so much for the free education we are getting. Thank you so much for the roads, though they are not good. You have said the very big point, the road that comes from Arapai, Amuria, Obalanga to Achanipi. It's our main road that we would want you, Excellency, to put in considerations and grant us that road. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Here I would have spoken, but I've already submitted my memo to you. I know you will go. We were so happy when you're saying that TESO have very good leaders. Even Kapelebyong has very good leaders. We would request only one ministry, a deputy RDC, even RDC, to be appointed from Kapelebyong. We shall be so grateful. We don't have any. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. A lot is in the memo. I would also request humbly to support me to deliver those flag bearers. Thank you so much. Mama, we are so grateful. Your grandchildren of UPE, we are so grateful for the care, for the love. We are free polio people here. The rain is a sign of victory in Kapelebyong. We are going to deliver Kapelebyong 95%. It's a new energy on board. Toto, Anita, Papa Echodu, we are working together to see that NRM gets more than 90. I told Toto that I'm going to beat Bukedia. And I'm telling this, His Excellency, we are going to beat any other sub-region. Kapelebyong, we are going to defend the status quo of Eastern Uganda. Thank you so much, His Excellency. My name is Ipalat Patrick, a UPE product. Thank you so much.
Your Excellency, we are introducing flag bearers. Atuto Jacinta, woman MP, Kapelebyong. Akorikin Francis, flag bearer, Kapelebyong. Aseko Jacqueline, Ajego Jacqueline, LOC5 flag bearer. Wanyama Samuel, Wanyama Emmanuel, Youth MP, Eastern.
Africa.